Okay guys, this is going to be a short video on how to navigate through your honors pre-calculus Canvas course. So each day you are going to log into your Canvas course. You'll see a little introduction here on me, and then you should see the live lessons, grading, teacher information, Canvas navigation, support, digital citizenship, and I'll get back to these in just a minute. The main button that you're going to want to hit each day is enter here. So when you click on enter here, it'll take you to all the units that we will cover in this course. So we're going to start with Unit 1. So you would click Unit 1. And today, Tuesday, January 5th, would be our course introduction. So you would click on this button. And then there's going to be an agenda every day that you'll follow. So our course introduction day is going to be a little different than every other day. But I've pretty much laid everything out for you. So during our live class, you'll have instructions of everything that we'll do together. And then if you look at number 2, after live instruction, this is going to give you the things that you would do on your own. And then there's always going to be an assignment for you to complete at the bottom. I have included some tips on how to upload your work as a PDF because most days your assignment is going to be a worksheet. You do not have to print that worksheet out. You can do all of your work on notebook paper, and then you would just upload your work as a PDF to the assignment. So on number 3 here where it says complete the factoring worksheet and submit here, you would click submit here and then submit assignment. And then file upload, choose your file, and whatnot for that. Let's go back to our home. So again, we're going to enter here, go to Unit 1, and I'm going to go back to that course introduction page. So it tells you each day when your assignment will be due. That should also be on your to-do list on your home screen. And most days I do post the answer key. And the reason I post the answer key is so that you can check your work and so you already know which questions we need to discuss the next day when you come to class. So that's pretty much what our course introduction page is going to look like. Let's go back to day 1, where it's going to look more like what you'll see daily. So on Wednesday, January the 6th, again, it's going to give you your instructions on what we'll do during live class, which is completing your work, your warm-up each day. And then we'll always discuss the homework from the night before. I'll work any problems that you don't understand, answer any questions that you have. After live instruction, I will have a notes handout posted. So these are blank notes, and that's just a PDF that you can click on. So you'll see the notes. If you want to print them, fine. You do not have to print them. You can copy them down if you would like. Then I will have my notes filled in case you were absent during class or you just didn't understand something from the videos. And basically what I would expect you to do is watch the 3 videos or however many videos I've posted that day and complete your notes based off of watching the videos. It's very important that you watch the videos because this is your instruction for the day. And then after watching the videos, there'll always be an assignment for you to complete, just like I had showed you for the course introduction page. You would submit your work here. Again, here is my answer key for you to check your work so that you know what questions we need to talk about the next day during our live instruction. So that's pretty much what a typical day is going to look like. You always can click your home screen to get back to the page. One thing I want to point out over here on the right hand side is your to-do list. So this should show you what's coming up, what's due each day that you're responsible for. And then the other main thing that you need to be concerned about is how do I connect to my Zoom lesson? So you'll click on live lessons. And then depending on if you're first block or second block, you'll click on the Zoom link here. It's going to be posted every day for you to be able to connect to our live lessons each day on Zoom. My tutoring is on Tuesdays and Thursdays during our SEL block. So here is the link for that if you want to get help, extra help outside of class time for that. And then back to the home page. Any announcements I send out, that should notify you of that. There's also the Desmos graphing calculator here that we'll be using some in class, so that's right here on the side for you. And then that's a pretty much what we're going to use as far as what you'll need to operate and move through the class. Grading is just got my information on it as far as the grading scale, late work, makeup work, all that information's here. And then my information, this is just a little video about me, but here's my email, phone number. This is our class website. And then here's Remind that you'll need to get set up for, because I'll communicate with you regularly through Remind. And then this just tells you that information here. And then as far as your families go, I'll communicate with them via email, talking points, or by phone. Hope this helps.